Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix music not available on Instagram. To fix this error, start by opening the Instagram app. Once you are in your account, click on your story icon from the top left corner. Take a quick photo and tap on the sticker icon at the top. Now, choose the music option from here. As you can see, the majority of songs are available, but the issue is that not every single song will be available forever. For example, if you search for a specific song, it depends on whether that song is currently available or not. As you can see, I searched for Drake, and there are several Drake songs available, but not all of them. You can only find recent releases or remixes of Drake songs here, but not all of the old songs. If you want to look for a song that was available in the past but is not here now, the one thing you can do is once you find a specific song, save it to your music. If it still doesn't work and the songs are not available in saved song either, you might need to update your Instagram application. To do that, open the App Store and make sure to update your app to its latest version. If you updated it right now, after that, you're good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.